The year 2020 was certainly unexpected. It was insane. People have lost their loved ones, they've lost their jobs. There's economic crisis, social crisis, health crisis, and a lot more. While there's no way to avoid sorrow or distress in our lives, but there are ways to smooth the rough waters and to regain a sense of control. Let's start the video. Before that, hi beautiful minds, I'm Kritika. Welcome to HowToTuber family. I make videos on how to questions. Please subscribe to my channel. Dwelling on what you don't want works against what you do want. We all have our ideas of how things should be or how things should work out. But when our plans fail and the reality is very far from what we had worked for, we start wrestling with life, we start fighting with life. But the biggest thing that messes up is not external conditions or external situations, but the picture in our heads about how we think those conditions or situations should be. The truth is, unless you let go, unless you forgive yourself, unless you forgive the situation, you cannot overcome it. When you let go and accept the reality for what it is, then you start moving forward. Another way of addressing the feeling that bad situations will never end is thinking about the similar situations in the past you have gone through and successfully overcome it. You have overcome challenges before, you have gone through tough times before, you have solved problems before. Thinking of all this is a reminder of your ability to handle problems and challenges and get past them. It also boosts your sense of self-confidence and also eliminate the sense of helplessness. This attitude shift also motivates you to take action and rise above the situation successfully. If you're feeling bad right now, I promise you, this feeling doesn't last forever. Everything has an end, whether it's good or bad, nothing lasts forever. When you're facing a difficult situation, it may seem that it will never end, but it's just a distorted perception. Our minds tend to expand negative events when they happen and appear as if they continue for a long time. Nevertheless, every worst situation comes to an end. No matter how stuck you are, no matter how bad you feel, no matter how many days you have spent crying, no matter how depressed and hopeless the situation is, keep going because even bad times end. You are bigger than your problems. As difficult as your circumstances might be, don't let them define your identity or become your identity. You are not your adversities or your job status or your bank statement or messy divorce or anything that has ever happened to you. Who you are is far beyond external measure, situation or experience. Avoid putting a label on yourself that hems you in or casting yourself as a victim of life. It's not your adversities that shape who you are, but who you are in the face of your adversities. Don't let your problems be your identity. It is okay not to feel okay. We all have good and bad days. No one is perfectly happy all the time. It's not human. Sometimes we feel on top of the world and some days we feel down. Especially during this pandemic, many have lost their businesses, jobs, livelihoods. Thousands of people have lost their lives. All this can cause a lot of anger, frustration, sadness, disappointment, envy. So all these emotions are a part and parcel of human experience. So if you're been feeling bad about you feeling bad, give yourself permission not to feel on top of the world all day every day. You can still be a positive person and be having a tough time. I hope this video has helped you in some way. Let me know what do you think in the comment box, and also do post your how-to questions. I'll be happy to do videos on them. That's all for the video, guys. Bye. Take care.